So hello guys, I am Nitin. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about web gallery using HTML CSS and JavaScript. So first of all, let's see the demo that you will be learned of this video. So you can see that beautiful gallery we are building in this video. When I hover on the image gets spanned and also get colored. So let's get into the video how we can build this awesome web gallery using HTML CSS and JavaScript. Guys, for our web gallery we need 6 images. I will be using these images for our web gallery. So I will first open that folder in favorite text editor, which is a Visual Studio. So you can see I opened web gallery name folder in Visual Studio. So first I will create HTML file, name it index.html, and then after one style sheet file I will name it style.css, and then one JS file I will name it main.js. So you can see we are created 3 files, and we also have 6 images. So I will create first HTML structure for our web gallery. I will title web gallery, and then after I will connect our style sheet with that HTML file using link tag. Our style sheet is connected now, you can see. Now I will link my JavaScript file with that HTML using script src. I will put the name of that JavaScript file here. So now we are ready to code. So now we will write CSS for our web gallery. First we will reset our basic margin and padding. Then after we will target our section tag. Then after we will target our photo class. Now we will target our image tag. We will add a hover effect on that photo class. Now you can see our gallery is working. So there are some functionality we need to add into it. So now you can see need one class that we can handle it from JavaScript. We will name that class active. In that active we will add flex 10. So now we will work on our functionality part. I will declare one variable called the other images also get added active class. We have to remove the active class on clicking on other class. So we will handle it here. So thank you guys for watching my video.